When I was a kid, most of my dad's tools were off limits. He kept a small set of beat-up tools in the garage that I was allowed to use. This wrench was part of that set of tools. I had forgotten all about it until recently when I found it in the back of my toolbox. The screw was tight, probably clogged with decades of grime, and the jaws weren't square anymore. I used mineral spirits to clean the wrench. I needed a pick to clean out the screw threads. I got a lot of grime out of those threads. So here's the wrench after cleaning. I decided attempting to disassemble it would cause more harm than good. I used a file to square the jaws. This took some time and effort. I was able to greatly improve the jaws. I cleaned up some of the rough spots with the belt sander. Since I had decided not to disassemble the wrench, I was not able to reach everything. I used the wire wheel to clean up what I couldn't get with the sander. Just for fun, I spent some time polishing the metal. I did a quick sanding job on the wooden handles. I was not trying to remove decades of scars, just smooth them out a little. Just for fun, I polished the wood handles with some fine steel wool. I coated the whole wrench with paste wax. I don't think it will get much use anymore. I'll just keep it as a memento of 10-year-old me working on my bicycle.